I got this Ratfink figure. It came with the Dragnut kit. It's been sitting in my drawer for a while. I just glued it together and was going to paint it, but found these little extra pieces here, and that looks kind of cool like that for now. I just leave it like that for now. And the mail call, I got a card in from Tom, Rambler69. Thanks, Tom. I appreciate that. Updated card with your great new builds on it. Thanks for that. I appreciate your channel also and all the help you've given us over the years, and always good to see your builds. Thanks very much for sending me your new card. Well, as I said in my last video, there's nothing going on the bench here for the last few weeks. I kind of haven't really been motivated to do anything. And today I dropped by the local hobby center and poked around, and they had a few kits on sale, some of the older ones and I think a newer one. So I wasn't going to buy any more to add to the stash. I was trying to get my stash lowered down a little bit and try and sort of get rid of a few kits there and build them up and not add too many to the stash, but I couldn't resist these three today. I bought this Revell, the Deal Wheels van, VW van. I couldn't resist that one. I've been wanting to get that for a while, and I just saw it there today. 35 bucks. New kits are pretty expensive, so I figured that was a pretty good price for that one. And got a couple of other ones here. I saw this one in a discount bin. Lindbergh. There's two show rods, hot rods. And the interesting thing about this is that they're 1/32 scale. So I got those two kits, and you can build each one. There's two kits in the box, and you can build each one two different ways. And being 32nd scale, I thought that I can use that next year for the small scale group build. That was marked down to $15. And I happened to see this one. I've been thinking about getting this kit. I didn't know if I'd be able to find one. It's from 1998. The Revell 32 Ford Highboy Street Rod. And this must have been out of somebody's collection because it was opened, the parts are out, cut off the sprues. It was repacked and bagged and repackaged. And I bought it. There's a few other ones there. I got one here. This one was $20 because it had been opened and the decals were cut in, the decal card was cut in half, but the decals are still good. I don't know that I'll be using them anyway. So I have plans for this one, just pretty much like the box art, maybe with a beige interior. And I've opened it up and checked it out already. The parts have been off the sprue and been rebagged. And I think I might be starting this one next. So now that I've got some motivation and I know what I want it to look like, I can begin the build. So thanks for following along, and stay tuned for more updates. Appreciate all the subscribers watching and supporting the channel, and for your encouragement, and hopefully I'll have some builds up soon. Bye for now.